Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hi, Adam. I am so happy today.
Why are you so happy, Sarah?
I finally learned a very important skill.
Oh, is it a new language?
No, it is much simpler.
Tell me, I want to know.
I learned how to say no.
No? That sounds very easy, Sarah.
Well, it is not easy for everyone.
I think you are right.
Many people feel very bad saying it.
I am one of those people, Sarah.
Really? Why do you feel bad, Adam?
I don't want to hurt people's feelings.
That is very kind of you.
But now I have no free time.
Because you say yes to everything?
Yes, every invitation, every small request.
Phew, that sounds very, very tiring.
It is. I am always so busy.
You need to protect your time, Adam.
I know, but how do I start?
Well, let me tell you a story.
I love your stories. Please, go on.
My friend Mark called me yesterday.
Is Mark a nice guy, Sarah?
He is, but he loves to talk.
I know people like that.
He invited me to a long dinner.
A dinner? That sounds very lovely.
Not when you have 5 reports due.
Oh, so you were very busy.
Yes, I had a very big deadline.
Did you tell him, no, I can't?
No, that sounds a bit too cold.
Right, it sounds like you are angry.
Exactly, and I was not angry.
So what were your exact words?
I said, I'd love to, but I'm busy.
I'd love to. That is very soft.
It shows that you like the idea.
But then you add the but.
Yes, the but explains your situation.
Did Mark get angry at you?
No, he understood it very well.
What if someone asks for a favor, like moving a heavy sofa?
Yes, or fixing their computer.
For favors, be very honest and fast.
Don't wait for 2 days to answer.
No, waiting makes it much worse. I'm sorry, I can't help now.
Perfect. You don't need a long excuse.
I always make long, crazy excuses.
Stop doing that right now, Adam.
Why? I think excuses help people understand.
No, they just make you sound guilty.
I never thought about that.
Just say you have other plans.
I have other plans. That is enough?
Yes, it is polite and very clear.
Sarah, what about a party invitation?
Parties are a bit more sensitive.
You don't want to look boring, right?
Right, so I used a special phrase.
Was it for Mark's dinner too?
Yes, I told him something very specific.
What was the phrase, Sarah?
I said, "Can I take a rain check?"
Take a rain check. That sounds cool.
It is a very friendly way to refuse.
We must explain this to everyone later.
We will, it's a great idiom.
I feel much better about saying no.
Good, you are a free man now.
I will practice tonight.
Don't practice on me, I need help.
Okay, I will help you, Sarah.
Thank you, you are a good friend.
Now, can we help our listeners?
I'm ready, let us start training.
They need to learn the professional no.
Okay, listen and repeat after me. Use a polite and calm voice. We will start very short now. I'd love to, but... I'd love to, but... Good. Now let's add more. I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight. I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight. Excellent. Now the full professional version. I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight. Maybe another time. I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight. Maybe another time.
Phew, that was a very smooth no, Sarah.
It was. I felt very respected, Adam.
Our listeners are doing a great job.
Practice is how you find your voice.
Sarah, let's talk about your idiom.
You mean to take a rain check?
Yes, why do we talk about rain?
Well, it comes from old baseball games.
Baseball? I love baseball.
Yes, if it rained, the game stopped.
So the people lost their money?
No, they got a rain check ticket.
Oh, a ticket for the next game.
Exactly. It was a promise for later.
So what does it mean in conversation?
It means I can't go now, but later.
Can I take a rain check on dinner?
Perfect. It means you still want dinner.
But you are busy at this moment.
Exactly. It keeps the friendship strong.
Can I use it for a business meeting?
No, it's a bit too casual for that.
Keep it for friends and family.
Yes, it is very warm and friendly.
I love the history of this phrase.
Most idioms have very cool stories, Adam.
I want to learn one every day.
We will learn many more together.
Sarah, do you have one last tip?
Yes, be firm, but be kind.
Be firm, but be kind. I like that.
Don't let people pressure you into saying yes.
It is my life and my time, right?
Exactly. You are the boss of you.
I am the boss. I like that.
Well, our snack is over for today.
Oh, time goes fast with you.
It really does. I had a great time.
I hope our listeners learned a lot today.
I'm sure they did. They are amazing.
Remember to use these tips this week
Yes, say no to one small thing.
and see how good it feels.
It feels like freedom, Adam, truly.
Before we go, please subscribe to us.
Yes, join our Snack English family now.
Click the like button if you enjoyed.
It helps us help more people.
What should they write in the comments?
Tell us one thing you said no to.
Did you feel guilty or did you feel happy?
I want to read all your stories.
I will read them and reply too.
Thank you for listening to Snack English. Keep practicing and keep speaking every day.
We will see you in the next snack.
Have a wonderful and peaceful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.